All right, guys. Today we are investigating why this circuit is wired wrong. This is a zero sequence CT, and it's got phase A, B, C, and neutral going through it. However, the point of common coupling between the neutral and the ground is not before the CT. You see XO is right here, and all you have on there is two neutral lugs, which means that CT will always only see all currents coming from the transformer and no ground to offset it. And it makes sure that you're understanding this. There's one wire that comes off right here and it goes down to the ground bus. But that is after the neutral connection to ground. The neutral connection to ground should be before the CT. And here's why. If you've got your transformer right here, you got your power coming out. This is a circuit breaker. I've drawn this out like this. You got A, B, and C. The neutral CT, the zero sequence CT should be right here. And what I've done here with these two lines, this is, imagine a ground return. Normally you would want the ground return to be, on the primary side of that CT. So that way if there's ever a fault on this end, it would bypass the CT, and C phase might still have a ground fault. The CT would see that current, but it wouldn't see the return current, and therefore the CT would get energized and trip your circuit. What they have here is it's after the CT. So now all currents, even if it's a ground fault or it's a neutral return, will still return through that CT on the neutral, and it'll never trip. So keep an eye out for miswired, circuits.